Hi again and welcome back into another reaction video. In today's content, we are going back to Bunny Vaviola and the title of the song is Never Regret. Oh, so exciting. Makaka-relate kaya tayo? And I don't know, marami tayong regret sa buhay. So without further ado, let's make a reaction to Bunny Fabiola featuring her 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 original song title is Never Regrets. Aww. Wow. Mukhang this is a positive, I think.
Don't be so sad for the days you struggle with. Everything must come to an end. Happiness will find you.
Oh my God, ang ganda.
Never regret anything that happened in your life, 'cause Allah is the best of winners.
Grabe. I already cried because I love the lyrics. Oh my God. Bunny, you're so good. I love this one.
This whole life is a test. If Allah answers your prayers, He's increasing your faith. He's increasing your faith. This whole life is a test. If Allah doesn't answer, He has something better for you, better for you, better for you.
Thank you, Bunny. This is what I needed. Grabe, sobrang positive.
Life is just a passing moment. Don't be blinded by it. Nothing lasts forever. Don't know where you'll find it This whole life is a test. If Allah answers your prayers, He's increasing your faith. He's increasing your faith. This whole life is a test. If Allah doesn't answer,
I really love this one. Ano, no words can express. Grabe.
He has something better for you, better for you, better for you. Life is just a passing moment. Don't be blinded by it. Nothing lasts forever. Don't know where you'll find it
I love the title already. Grabe. Grabe. Wow! Actually, this is the first time that I really cried so bad. Again, congratulations! Napaiyak mo ako, Bunny! Thank you for making me cry, Bunny. I really love this. And I think this is your Christmas gift for me. Thank you so much. Never regret. I love the title. Of course, when I saw the title, ito na naman tayo. I saw the title and the title is Never Regret. Oh, sabi ko, oh my God, what is this? Baka makarelate na naman tayo. Grabe. My eyes are so swollen. Anyway, what can I say? I really love the wordings, especially the chorus part. The humming style of Bunny. It's very catchy and very positive. It's also a heartfelt message, diba? It's like a heartfelt message. So, let's go first to the story and the lyrics. Grabe, please bear with me because I really cried a lot. After I watched the MTV, I paused for 30 minutes because my voice is so bad. Every time I do a reaction vlog, I want to observe a lot of things. The color of your dress is really connected with the song that you make. Please bear with me. Swollen pa rin talaga yung buong face ko, no? For me, this is the most perfect. You nailed it. You are so awesome. I really love you, Bunny. And your voice here, it's so lively. It's so sweet. And every time I wake up, I'm going to listen to this song because it's like a reminder for me. The melody, the lyrics, the voice of Bunny, and the dress. I love your dress here. It's so colorful. And this is the first time I saw you wearing a very colorful floral dress because my fashion is the floral and colorful also. I really love the title, Never Regret. So thank you so much for this. Let's go back again to the first part. Doon pa lang, umiyak na ako. Ano ba yan? First part ulit. Okay. The first part, I saw the fallen leaves. It's from a fall season. The way I describe the first 9 seconds, kasi ang fall season parang too emotional eh. The autumn season and the leaves is so very emotional for me. That's why I really love this season. This is my most favorite season. Other people like spring, but me, I like the autumn leaves. It's like a cool, quiet, and parang down moment, but it's still beautiful. So I need to go to first 1 minute again. 1 minute lang.
Don't be so sad for the days you struggle with.
Grabe.
Everything must come to an end. Happiness will find you. Never regret.
Okay, yun lang. Okay, grabe no, di ba? I'm going to talk about the first 36 seconds. Yung pa lang, iyak na ako. I cried already for first 36 seconds. You know why? Because it's like a message for me. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, thank you so much, Vani, because I really love this one. You know what I imagine? All of a sudden, I cried already because the first 30 seconds is like a message to me coming from my great best friend, and that best friend will be Bunny Babiola. It's like that. Kaya, na-touch talaga ako. So, actually, for 5 years of making a reaction to all the Indonesian artists, especially Bunny Babiola, most of the time when I was in Japan, I always cried because during that time, I was really so down. I just want to release my emotion. That's why I cried all the time. Aside that, I'm too emotional. I want to express my thoughts and my feelings with this song. My most favorite part is the first 36 seconds. And Thank you so much, Bunny Babiola. This is a very, very beautiful song. All in all, this is my most favorite song. My real life story had this connection with Never Regret. I really love the way you deliver the song. It's like you're talking to me directly. You know, yun eh. That's why I cried because it's like this song is really for me. I don't know, maybe this is your Christmas present. I'm gonna share about something. First of all, Bunny, thank you so much. Thank you that you replied to my story the other day because you said you like my reaction, and then thank you so much because you messaged me during that time and you asked me how am I doing, how's my life, what's going on with me. From that moment, I really appreciate already your presence and your message. I never expected. I'm really, really happy. I'm not only a reaction vlogger, but I'm really a fan of yours. Even before, even 5 years or 6 years ago. Thank you so much. And I answered you about like my life is not so perfect. I said that to you, and from 2021 to 2024, my life was so mess. That's what I said. I even joke. Nag-joke pa nga ako eh. I asked you, like, can you make a song that maybe you can write a song that tell a story about my life? And I don't know, maybe this is it. And if this is the one, I would like to say thank you, and I really appreciate you for doing this for me. A while ago, during the time that you upload the video, I said I'm going to make a reaction with this one because the title Never Regret really excite me. And you said maybe this song you're gonna use this for your daily life, and I said, oh my god. From that moment, I was so excited already because I said maybe I can really relate with the song, and boom, in 30 seconds nakarelate na agad ako. Thank you so much, Bunny, for the love, for the message. I love the way you sing here because it's like you're like a friend to me in this MTV. Like you're always reminding me how to be strong, and this too shall pass. And that's why I cried a lot. I really appreciate this song of yours. I really love it. It is one of my most favorite from now on because you're so creative. I love your talent. I wish you all the best with your career, and I'm your number one fan. Nag-reflect lahat yung mga trials, yung mga down moment ko for 3 years, for the 3 whole years, and the grief and the other issue in my life from the past, everything. Nag-reflect lahat. And I cried because I remember those moments. Oh my God! And here I am. I'm still alive. And I'm still doing this vlog reaction just for you guys, especially for Bunny. Nung nag-reflect kasi, lahat, you know, all the things that happening to me, it's like a roller coaster. Those memories, those down moments of my life, it went back to me. And I still can't believe because I'm still here alive in front of you. Grabe. Kaya nakarinig talaga ako. Thank you so much for these wonderful words. I love it. Sobrang na-appreciate kita. And, you know, those 3 years is not a joke because I was so depressed and I got this anxiety. And a lot of times, I got this panic attack. And depression is really a serious thing. It's not a joke. Now, I'm in my healing part and I'm excited for my 2025 because 2025 is my moving forward for myself. And this time, I'm gonna be happy. That's what I promise. And not only that, my divorce is on the way and I'm really excited with that. Mental health is really important. Most of the time, I'm always going out by myself because I really love to do self-reflect for my healing. And that's my journey for my moving on process. And now I'm happy. I got this peace of mind. And, ano pa ba? So, I'm okay. I want to share this thing because it's Christmas and this is a very special reaction vlog for me. All my problems, I'm fixing everything now. And I'm so proud of myself because I can still stand up on my own and my heart is getting stronger more each day. So, yun lang. I really love this one. Thank you so much, Bunny. This is a very, very beautiful song. And congratulations again. I really do appreciate you a lot. You're so very humble and kind. And thank you so much for your message. I'm okay now because I forgive myself and forgive my past. And this song is really for me. After all I've been through, I don't regret about anything anymore. Never regret. I love you, buddy! And that's it for me for today's video. Grabe, ang iniyak ko. Come back stronger na tayo sa 2025. Bye-bye! Mwah!
This whole life is a test.